This is a vintage Good Housekeeper badged Class 15 clone. Class 15 meaning it's a little straight stitch all metal machine that uses Class 15 bobbins. There it is. It's turquoise in color with gold trimmer on the deck. Very, very nice cosmetic condition. There are a few little paint dings and nicks here and there, but nothing major. It is ready for tabletop sewing or will fit in a Singer cabinet. It's a very simple machine to use. It has adjustable stitch length, reverse, and 5-level feed dogs. It uses Class 15 bobbins and 15x1 needles, both purchased at Walmart, Joann's, Hancock Fabrics, or any store that stocks basic sewing supplies. It comes with bobbins, a plastic zipper foot assembly, and a little manual, and a matching foot pedal. Sew with it here. Do a few fabric samples. This is just a 2-layer. A nice heavy-duty basic little machine. Just a straight stitch. This is 10 layers of a drapery fabric using a size 18 needle. Perfect stitch, top and bottom. 10 layers of really stiff upholstery fabric. Nice. 6 layers of denim. You will get these fabric samples with the machine. This is 10 layers of cotton. Nice stitch. And last but not least, okay, where'd my leather go? There it is. This is 3 layers of raw leather. This is a low shank machine. Any low shank footer attachment should fit. And there's your 3 layers of leather. Perfect stitch. And that is the Good Housekeeper model 15 clone.